Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm going to show you how you can apply for Tesco Clubcard. So in order to apply for a Tesco Clubcard, first of all, make sure that you are connected to a stable internet connection and then go ahead and open up a browser. So first thing first, you'll have to register. So for that, open up a browser. On the web address bar, type in tesco.com/account and that's going to direct you to this sort of interface. Now, first thing, you have to create an account. So go ahead and tap on register for an account. Now, if you already have an account, then you do not need to go ahead and create an account. So in order to create an account, all you have to do is just provide in your email address and then set a password and scroll down a bit and mark on the terms and conditions, go through the personal details section and click on create account located right at the bottom. Also make sure that while you're actually applying for Tesco Clubcard, that you are actually 18 years above. Only then you'll be able to do it so, and also make sure that you have a UK citizenship. After you've done that, now during the registration process, you'll have the option to request a club card. You have to make sure to select the option to receive your club card as well. Now follow the prompt to complete your registration, and you may need to verify your email address or provide additional detail. Once the registration is completed, now Tesco will mail you a club card to address that you've provided during the sign up. This process may take a few business days. So all you have to do is just wait patiently until you get further notified. And once you receive your club card, you can start using it in order to collect the points on your Tesco purchase. So simply present your club card to the checkout when you're shopping in the store, or enter your club card number when you're shopping online to earn points. So that's basically how you can apply for Tesco Club Card. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.